Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to do a get ready with me, trying some new products, and I also wanted to throw on a wig, just for funsies. I am planning to share like update videos with you guys here on this channel talking about growing out my hair. So stay tuned for that and I'll go more into like how I'm feeling, what the process has been like, the awkward stages, all that kind of stuff. But I wanted to play around with the wig. I have only one human hair wig. All my other wigs I have are like costume wigs from the Halloween store. But this is like my one and only like nice wig. It's a lace front wig from, where is it from? Donna Love Hair, I believe. I got this a long time ago and I posted a picture about it on Instagram and it was just for fun. I never actually wore it out and about. But I actually cut it. I did a very rough job cutting it, but again, I don't go out with this wig, so I thought I would just play around. So here's what the inside looks like. Let's throw this baby on. Oh, but before I do that, if you want to hang out, get ready with me, hear my thoughts and my first impression on the new Too Faced Pretty Rich collection, and you want to see me in a wig, then just keep on watching. Oh, and of course, before we jump into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so that way you are officially Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. I styled this wig in like a half up, half down ponytail type thing because I thought that looked cute. I don't know. Help me. This is gonna be a journey with you guys because I do not know how to wear or style wigs, but now that I'm growing out my hair, I feel like wigs might be something that I try out a little more frequently now. This looks so not even close to being natural on me. Like, it looks terrible on me. I just don't know how people make them look natural. Okay, I got a brush and I just took out the little hair tie that I had here. I don't know, let's see. Oh, I just made it worse. I look like a caveman. What? Let me see if I just throw on a headband right here, if it'll work. Oh, now I look like I can't even think of the word I'm looking for. Okay, I'm just gonna tie it back like this. I feel like I definitely need pieces to frame my face because that's just always how I style my hair. Plus you could see like my little shaved sideburns here. So let's get some scissors. Yep, I'm doing the scissors. I'm grabbing the scissors. And they are kid scissors. This is 100% a get ready with me, not a how-to. This is just like, watch me try something new. Truth be told, this is the best I could do. I'm sorry. Of course, I am more than eager to hear your guys' suggestions, advice, anything like that to do with wigs because clearly I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm just trying my bestest. So let's talk about the Too Faced Pretty Rich collection. I saw this at Ulta, like the whole display, and it just looks so pretty, and Too Faced actually sent over the collection for me to try out with you guys, so I'm really excited. So we have an eyeshadow palette right here. So it has like the Too Faced like standard packaging and everything, like the logo and everything. It looks like the style is like just spray painted on, like pretty rich. So let's check out this eyeshadow palette. I love like this cushiony, I mean it is bulky, but it's like this soft cushiony type of packaging. And when you open it up, it looks like a jewelry box or something, or like a necklace box, like, you know the necklace box from Titanic? Oh, just imagine that. Oh. So we have a dinky little mirror in here, which I mean I could still use, it's very small. The packaging does have a very strong magnetic clasp, so that's nice. So in here we have a bunch of neutrals. It's kind of like the standard color scheme of most Too Faced Cosmetics collection like eyeshadow palettes. I feel like they typically stick with the same things. They have like their neutral browns and warm tones, all that kind of stuff, but then they have like a few pops of color here and there. So we've got like this sparkly pink, some purple and blues here. This row up here looks more like it could be kind of a cool tone. This one's definitely warm. We've got warm over here, and then we've got some cool tone shades down here at the bottom. And with every Too Faced Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, there's always a little guide here. So they give you a few little picture tutorials. So if you're like looking at this palette and you're a little overwhelmed and you don't know like what color combination can I come up with or what look can I create, they have like these little examples for you guys just to get you a little inspired. And I do like these. Maybe I'll follow one. We'll see. So also in this collection they have highlighters, and these are called the Diamond Light highlighters, and the packaging is so pretty. It's like a little engagement ring box, like, will you marry me? Again with the same like squishy packaging, almost like it was a ring box or a jewelry box. So you just open it up, has the logo right here, and then this giant pan of highlight. Will you marry me? It's just so cute. This one here is Fancy Pink Diamond. And then we've got this guy right here, which is Diamond Fire. Whoa. And then we've got this yellowy one here, or, oh, that's like a really pretty yellow gold. This one is called Canary Diamond. So I'm gonna swatch those for you guys. These are so fancy. I almost don't even want to get rid of this box. It's so bulky, so I'm definitely going to get rid of it, but it's just like really pretty. I love that they always take time with their packaging, because you guys know me, I'm a sucker for packaging, like really cute packaging. It gets me every time. We've also got a bunch of lip products here. So we've got, hold on, let me see what we have here. High Shine Sparkling Lip Glosses, but one of them is in collaboration with Jordyn Woods. So you have the 5 over here that are like just kind of their standard high gloss sparkling lip glosses, and then they have one that they collaborated with, so it has different packaging as you can see. We have Sunset Crush, so pretty. Next we have All the Stars. Ooh, this one looks fun. This is called 401k. This is called Raisin, the roof, like raisin, like oatmeal and raisin cookie. And then we have Pretty Penny. And now let's check out the collaboration one they did with Jordyn Woods. This is called Social Butterfly. I wonder if it has the same packaging. Oh yes, it has the exact same packaging, but it says it has like Jordyn Woods' signature right there in pink font. So here are the lippies that we got in this collection. And that is not all, we still have more in this collection. There is a limited edition Better Than Sex mascara. This says Better Than Sex and Diamonds. And the packaging on this, I saw it in Ulta. Oh, look at how pretty it is, like all these beautiful rhinestones. It just feels like so rich and luxurious, like this is so pretty. And then we also have the Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighting Brush. So they did come out with a brush in this collection, so we'll try that out when we apply our highlight. And then there's still one more thing. We actually have a radiance boosting glitter face mask called Glow Job. I've never really been a huge fan of the names that Too Faced Cosmetics comes out with, but I really do like their products. Oops, I just dropped the little spatula. So you get the little spatula guy here. Look at how pretty this packaging is. Let's see what this mask looks like. We'll try this out at the end. Oh my gosh! It's like this beautiful silver glittery magical goodness. Oh, I cannot wait to try that. So there was a quick overview of the collection. Now let's just go ahead and get started with our makeup. I already have my face makeup done, so let's just move on straight to the eyes. So I'll zoom you guys in and let's see what look we come up with today. Oh, why hello, we are switching over to Voiceover Jackie. So voiceover tutorial time. I am taking the shade Fancy That and I'm blending that in my crease as my transition color. And then after that, on a more fluffy blending brush, or like standard blending brush, I'm taking Highly Selective and I'm blending that in the outer corner and crease of my eye. And I did get a little bit of fallout from this shadow. I was really trying to pack it on because I wanted to see if I can intensify it, but I got a bunch of fallout from it. And then I'm going to take the shade Princess Cut and place that on my lid. And it wasn't applying well at first, so I went in with my finger and it was applying a lot better that way. So one thing that's pretty cool about this palette is that it has 4 pressed
glitter pigments. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like, it's not just a glitter shadow. It's literally like a pressed loose glitter. I don't know, does that make sense? So I wanted to use one of the glitters. So after applying some glitter glue to my waterline, not waterline, my lower lash line. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. I applied glitter glue onto my lower lash line. I'm going in with Diamond Glitterati, which is the pink pressed glitter in this palette, and I'm just packing it on there, and I think it looks really, really pretty. It's like a subtle way to play with glitter in your eye look. So now I'm just taking a white eyeliner to line my waterline, and then a black felt tip liner to line and wing out my eyes. So now I'm going to pop on some false lashes. These are from Bold Face Makeup. These are the Worth It style lashes. And I forgot to mention, I don't know why I didn't have a clip showing this, but the inner corner of my eye, I used Clutch Your Pearls, and I applied it right there. I forgot to show you guys, sorry.
So everything on the eyes is done now except for mascara. So we're gonna go in with the Better Than Sex and Diamonds mascara. Ta-da, and our eyes are done. So now let's go ahead and finish off the face. Since I already have like my face makeup and my blush and everything, let's go ahead and add our highlighter. The pink one out of all of them, I would say, is the most natural to wear. This is Fancy Pink Diamond. Let's take this new brush from the collection. Just swirl that. Let's see how it does. This is a pretty dense brush for just a highlight, so I usually would use something a little more soft and flimsy. But there is what the highlight looks like, and I think it's really pretty. Let's check out these lip glosses. We're gonna go with Sunset Crush. I'm just applying it over my lipstick that I have right now, and if you're wondering what this is from NYX Cosmetics. This is the Lingerie Lip in Slip, I think it is. I'm using the advent calendar that I've been using. If you follow me on my vlogs, I'm doing Vlogmas, and I also have an advent calendar from NYX Cosmetics where you open the door to a new makeup product, and so it's been kind of like a fun little challenge, like a makeup challenge, to try and use each product that I open every day. So that's the lip I'm wearing right now. I'm just gonna put this on top since it is just a lip gloss. Typically I don't go for lip glosses, and I also don't go for like super shimmery, glittery type of lips, but I feel like this looks really special and magical. And it matches so nicely with our eye look. I actually love how this look turned out. Wow. I feel like as I was getting ready and using all the products, I like wasn't that impressed, but now that I'm like taking a step back, I actually really like how everything turned out. Lip glosses are never my favorite thing, especially super glittery ones, but I have to say I think these are beautiful, and I think they are perfect for a special occasion. This is definitely not a lip I would wear daily.
Sorry, had to switch back over to voiceover, but like I was saying, I wouldn't wear these daily, but I do think they are very special and beautiful for a special occasion or a night out. And then lastly, we have the face mask called Glow Job, which I did try out. I think it looks so pretty and sparkly, and once you let it dry, you can peel it off. I was a little impatient, so I didn't let it dry fully, and I was trying to peel it off, so it kind of peeled off in little pieces, but it left my skin feeling really nice and smooth and really bright and radiant as well. So if you're looking for a fun little glittery mask, I think this one's pretty awesome. And that is it for this makeup tutorial, this get ready with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think this collection is beautiful. I think it's pretty standard for the collections that Too Faced usually comes out with. So it's nothing like over the top amazing, like you need to have it, but I do think the products are really pretty, and I did enjoy using them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!